Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am iShine follower. For those that are new here, thank you for tuning in, and for those that are not new, thank you for tuning back in. So today this video is about me vlogging my experience while at the Catalina Island, and I hope you enjoy. So we caught the boat from Long Beach Terminal at Catalina. I don't know if that makes sense, but their terminal is at Long Beach. We got the boat, now we're on the ride. The ride was about an hour and a few minutes. It was a peaceful ride. We sat outside at first, but it was really windy and after a while I couldn't take it, so we went inside, and yeah, but it was a really nice ride over there. Now we're at the island and I'm just trying to get off the boat, waiting patiently for my turn. But yeah, this is the boat. Now we're off the boat. Here we see a welcome sign that says, "Welcome to the island Valley of Avalon." Pretty cool. Yeah, we're just looking around, exploring like the tourists that we are. Sorry, my hands are all shaky and all that, I'm just getting into vlogging and all that. With time, we'll get better. But this is a nice memory to have a video or something like this. So right off the boat, what I first noticed is the means of transportation, the golf carts. I don't see a lot of cars. I mean, you can see a few of them, but it's not as much as this golf carts. And I mean, I'm thinking that's because it's an island. It's a small one, so there's no need for having a lot of cars like you have it out in the city. But yeah, this is the means of transportation here. I think if you want to rent, you can rent one for yourself. It's about $50 or $70 per hour, so that's an option. So here we're just trying to figure out our way to our hotel, and now we're on our way to the hotel at the beautiful water. It was already evening here, so our hotel is not far, so we just walked down, looking everywhere, as you can see, exploring. It's beautiful though. I feel like the video doesn't do justice, but this is a really good option for you if you're trying to like get away for the weekend or however long you want to get away. It's a nice spot. Water. That's it. Here is our hotel. We're finally here. I really like the color, the decor, and everything going on with this hotel. It's Hotel Water. I like it. It's so nice. The color scheme, everything just, it's really nice. I like it personally. And that's me, baby girl. There you go. Yeah, just looking around. Nice harp, and that's what it's called. And I don't know what that musical instrument is called. I thought it was cute that that was there. Just exploring, you know, looking around. The tourists that we are. Heading to our rooms, or our room, just one room. Yeah, going down the hallway. Here is our room. First thing, the rooms are small as expected, and yeah, outfit of the day. Check out this babe. Right? Keep them, show them. Don't mind me. Yeah, this is the bed. That's about it. Let's look out the window. Nothing much going on out there. And I noticed that they close early. I think this was around 4:35. I can't remember. Maybe 4:30 or around till 5. Yeah. And it looks like everything is already closing up. I think it's because of COVID too. Okay, check her out. And this is the bathroom. Yeah, the mirror, everything is looking good. I like the shower area. And yeah, that's about it for this tour. Nothing much. Check me out, looking like a baby. So right after we just headed out to get dinner, because at this point we're hungry, and we went to this place called, I think it's Blue Avalon. I think that's the name of the place. And girl is hungry, man. Just checking out the menu. I'll show you what the menu looks like. They had the whole back of the menu filled with different drinks and alcohol. I'm like, oh my god. I just want food. I'm hungry at this point. Sorry, but this is all we got. I think it's the crab antichoke tea. I just got shrimps, fries, we got burger, and this is just the map of the island. Yeah, nothing much going on over there. But because I don't want this video too long, I'm gonna cut the whole experience into 2 videos. This video is just showing you our first day. We didn't do much on the first day. Then the next episode I'll be showing you us actually exploring the island. The first day we just got there, grabbed something to eat, and we just went back to our hotel. room and just chill for the remainder of the evening. But in the next episode, I'll show you outside real well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I really do want you to comment. Tell me what type of videos you guys like to see from me. I know it's been a while, but this is a nice comeback, huh? But yeah, thank you so much. I really hope this helps someone, because all work and no play makes what? Follow a dull boy or dull girl. So yeah, I really hope you like this video, and bye for now.